What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing just what the title says and using the vitamin C treatment to attempt to remove the remainder of this Halloween color because this purple is clean for dear life. For real. The orange is pretty much all gone. The green faded to like a teal blue. That was pretty surprising. I've never had a green fade to anything other than yellow before, so it faded to a nice color. Like if that green had been all over my head and it faded like that, I probably would have just let it fade for a while and enjoyed it. But because it's just like all over, I've got silver with like just a slight hint of like a yellowy root from where the orange was, and then this purple which faded to like a indigo blue. That was really pretty too. But I want it gone. I want it out. I want to do something different. Don't know if it's gonna work. I cannot bleach my hair anymore. It is quite damaged and it's been through the ringer. It's seen some stuff. Okay, it just can't handle any more bleaching or anything super harsh right now. This is what I'm using. I'm gonna be crushing this up in a coffee grinder and mixing it with this and putting it on my damp hair. I'm going to go ahead and dampen my hair before I put it on so that way it'll lather real well and just get all over my hair very easily. And then leave it for 30-ish minutes and hope it all comes out. I honestly don't have high hopes. I've done it before and the results were kind of minimal, but I didn't do the second round, so who knows? Please leave a like, subscribe if this kind of content interests you. I do stuff like this all the time. I'm constantly messing with my hair. I do my kids' hair all the time. It's a good time. Enough rambling. Let's get into it. Okay, my hair is saturated. I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it out, see what it's looking like, and decide from there if I'm gonna do a second round or not. I'm gonna go let this sit and I'll see you back here in a minute. All right, I am rinsed out and my hair is looking more or less the same. As far as I can tell, I'm going to go ahead and do it again and pray that it does get the rest of it out. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing again, let it sit for another 30 minutes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, it's a couple days later and as you can see, there's not a lot of difference. I am going to go ahead and give this probably 2 more rounds of the vitamin C treatment, and I'm also going to add in some dish soap while I'm at it. I figured it can't hurt and I really want to get this color gone. After I'm done with that, I'm going to give it a nice hydrating treatment to restore the moisture in my hair because God knows it's going to be dry AF. So we're just gonna get started. I may not show the second round of me doing this just because you've seen me apply it once, you've seen me apply it 100 times, right? I'm just gonna go get started. Okay guys, this is what we're left with. It's actually several days later and I've actually washed my hair since then, and this is the final result. I mean, I'm not trying anymore. I know it's in a messy bun, but hopefully you get the idea. And I've mentioned this in another video, but this is all breakage from damage and all the bleaching I've done, which is why I'm not bleaching my hair anymore. Not for a good while anyway. Man, I look so crazy. So I'm just gonna deal with this and do my next hair dye project just over this and see what happens. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.